Hey guys, I'm gonna do a little kind of like a review, I guess, on this lapel microphone. It's a BOYA BY LM20, and this is the adapter here, so you can use it with your GoPro. So that's what I'm gonna do a little comparison test with the internal microphone of the GoPro that you're looking through right now, and then the microphone itself. So the lapel microphone, of course I said it's a 47-inch lapel clip-on omnidirectional leveler microphone. It's for GoPro Hero 3, which is what I have. 3 Plus and 4, black, white, and silver editions. Use it on a laptop, PC, I think some phones, I believe, cameras, camcorders, like that. So I'm going to do a comparison first with the internal microphone of the GoPro, and then the lapel microphone. Thanks guys, yeah. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is the internal microphone of the GoPro Hero 3, and so they're going testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll switch over to the clip-on microphone. I got it clipped to my shirt already, but it's not plugged in yet. So. All right, guys, I'm back. Now I'm going through the clip-on microphone now, and should be a big difference, I would imagine. Maybe a little clearer with this one, but anyway, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll give you my opinion on the sound quality. And I'll leave a link below to where you can find this at. So, all right, guys, take care. Catch you later. Hey guys, yeah, I did the comparison on the microphone, the internal microphone for the GoPro, and the clip-on lapel microphone. They both worked well. I liked them both. The clip-on was a little kind of muffled like this, you know, but it worked well. I'll use it, not on every video, but I'll pick and choose. But anyway, those are my thoughts. You can judge for yourself. All right, guys, later. All right, guys, hey, thanks for tuning in. Hey, this is the BOYA BY-LM20. Has a lapel leveler. Oh God! All right, guys. Hey, thanks for coming in. Hey, this is the BY. Oh boy! All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hey, this is the BOYA, B-O-Y-A. Oh boy, man, I can't even. Oh boy, let's start this over.